Hello everyone and welcome to today's Property Spotlight. Today we're stepping inside the beautiful gated community of Madera West in Queen Creek, Arizona. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and today we're going to be looking at a brand new home in this community that's currently offered for $740,990. This single family home offers a spacious and modern living space along with some unique special features that make it stand out. I can't wait to tell you what those special features are. Let's dive right in and discover what makes this property so special. Okay, standing out front of this house, first let's talk about the property itself. This spacious single-family home boasts about 2,604 square feet of living space, providing ample room for comfort and convenience. It's got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and is perfect for families or those who enjoy having space to spread out because it's got a giant guest suite over here off of the one-car garage that you'll see once we get inside. So let's start off taking a walk through the main entrance of the home. You'll see here a large RV garage. You have a one-car garage here, and then you have the one-car garage here, which, like I said, goes into the suite. And you'll also see here a separate entrance for that suite. But let's go ahead and start here through the main entrance. Okay, as we come in the main door, you'll notice here garage, your main garage, access to your RV garage and your one-car garage. Over here to the left goes into the guest suite. This first room here is going to be the laundry room. I'm going to skip over that. As you come into a nice, great big living room and kitchen. This kitchen here, granite countertops, maple cabinets. You got your gas range oven and your dishwasher. And here your great big living area. We'll step over here to the guest bedroom area. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom over here. Bedrooms look to be about 12 by 12. A little bit bigger here in this cutout area over here where they have a closet. And here you got the bathroom that separates these 2 bedrooms. Again, granite countertops, cultured marble. And the bedroom number 3 here. Of course, this is being a spec home here, so it's not completely finished yet, but they do offer good incentives to get these spec homes sold. So as I go back over here across the other side of the house, we'll go into the master bedroom. Of course, a much bigger room. With views out to the backyard and into the master bathroom, which double sinks, granite countertops, cabinets all the way across, walk-in shower with cultured marble, and your walk-in closet. So if we were to come in through the guest suite off of its own one-car garage, you'll see right here, you'll walk in this garage door into its own living room. Okay. And this suite has its own full kitchen with refrigerator, range, oven, sink, and dishwasher. Granite countertops, maple cabinets. And here you go, it has its own bathroom and its own decent sized bedroom here. It probably looks like it's about 12 by 12 with a walk-in closet that has barn doors and its own washer and dryer. So this is perfect for the in-laws, perfect for a teenager. It's just perfect for guests. Great setup that we're seeing a lot more of nowadays. Next from here, I'm going to take you back on over to the front of the house and walk you through that RV garage. Okay, as you come into this garage here, you're going to see you got your one-car garage door with a nice large one-car space, and then you have your RV garage, noting that over on the other side of the house, the guest suite had its own one-car garage. So technically here you have a two-car garage as well as RV garage parking. Okay, as we exit back out the front of the house, I want to thank you for joining me today at this property spotlight here in Madera West. This floor plan here, again, 2,604 square feet. The main house here has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and then you have a second guest amenity that you see back here. You get in through the garage there or access through the main entry there. So here at this property, you'll see 2,604 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, but inside the guest suite, you'll have another 1 bedroom, 1 bath area. So if you have any questions about this fantastic property or this wonderful gated community here at Madera West, feel free to reach out to me at 480-588-2281. Again, I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. Also, feel free to leave comments down below. Please like this video, ring the bell, and subscribe so you can see future videos in the area.